Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram new account username error. If you are using any Instagram account and you are trying to create new account but you cannot create due to your username error, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection because sometimes your internet connection is not stable, so you can face these type issues. And after that, if you are connected to any VPN, so try to disconnect with that. And after all, you have to make sure that you have entered a correct name. So for example, let's see how you can enter correct name. I'm going to open this app, and I'll show you that how can you create a perfect username for Instagram. So for example, I'm going to enter mine. You have to make sure that you haven't entered any uppercase letter in your name, so you have to try to use your lowercase letter, and you have to make sure that you haven't entered any space here. So if you want to enter space, you can use this dot or this slash icon from here, and I'm going to use this dot. And after that, you have to enter your second name here, and whether you want to enter. Once you have entered, you have to add some numbers, but yeah, you have to keep in mind that you don't have to use any more symbols. So once you have done, so it might be a perfect username for Instagram. Or if you are still having any error, so it might be that your username has already been taken, so you have to try something else. For example, I'm going to remove these numbers and try to add something else here. So once you have added something else, so it will be acceptable by Instagram. So in this way, you can easily make a perfect username for Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.